Unlock the ultimate VR experience by seamlessly connecting your Quest headset to your digital world with Dropbox. Today, we're diving into a game changer for all Quest users, bringing your entire digital library, from media to VR games, directly to your headset using Dropbox. Get ready to simplify how you manage and enjoy your VR content. First things first, ensure you have a Dropbox account. If not, head over to Dropbox.com and sign up for free once you're logged in. Start organizing your VR files. Think of folders for your games, downloaded movies, or even screenshots taken within your favorite VR experiences. Uploading content beforehand makes your life so much easier. Now, let's get that headset ready. Put on your Quest and navigate to your main menu. We're going to look for a way to access your files depending on your Quest setup. This might be through a built-in file explorer, or you might need to install a third-party file management app from the Quest store that supports cloud integration. The key here is finding an app that can connect to external cloud storage. Many popular file managers for Quest have this capability. Once you find one, look for the option to connect to Dropbox. You'll typically be prompted to log into your Dropbox account within the app. This connection is your bridge. Now, you can browse your Dropbox folders directly from your Quest. Want to watch a movie? Simply navigate to your Movies folder in Dropbox via your Quest's file manager and select the file. It's that straightforward. Transferring new games or media is just as easy. You can drag and drop files from your computer into your Dropbox folders, and they'll become accessible on your Quest almost instantly. No more tangled USB cables or slow downloads directly to the headset. This integration not only makes management effortless, but also significantly enhances your VR experience by giving you instant access to your entire digital library. Enjoy your games, your captured moments, and your entertainment, all within reach, powered by Dropbox and your Quest. Streamline your VR world and make every moment count with the power of Dropbox. Happy VRing!